Creating a plugin is very similar to creating a theme. All plugins can be found inside the wp-content/plugins folder. By default, WordPress will provide us with two plugins, which are the Hello Dolly and Akismet plugins. We also see the plugins we installed earlier. Let's create our own plugin. Unlike themes, plugins can be created directly inside the plugins folder or in a subfolder. However, it's best practice to just create a subfolder with any plugin. The plugin I want to create is going to be called Recipe. I'm going to create a new folder named Recipe. Inside this folder, I'm going to create a new file named index.php. Just like themes, you need to provide a file header to tell WordPress that this plugin exists. Unlike themes though, WordPress doesn't require a certain naming structure for plugins. Actually, if we take a look at the FakerPress plugin, then you'll see that all code is in the fakerpress.php file and not the index.php file. You can name the main plugin file whatever you want. Some developers name it after their plugins, others just use index.php. Either one is fine. I just wanted you to be aware of the two common possibilities. It's all preference. For this course, we're going to just keep everything inside the index.php file. There's only one requirement to make this an official WordPress plugin. We must create a file header and define one property. So let's create a block comment, and inside this block comment add the following: plugin name :recipe. That's it. Go to your plugins page and you should now see our plugin appear. It doesn't have the rest of the information like the other plugins, but it works. This is the absolute minimum requirement for WordPress to recognize your plugin. Nothing else. In the resources section, I provide a link to the file header codex page. WordPress provides a full list of optional headers we can define. We're going to use a few of these. Let's get started. The second header we want to define is the description. I'm going to put a simple WordPress plugin that allows users to create recipes and rate those recipes. Up next is the version. We'll keep it simple by setting it to 1.0. Next is the name of the author. Put your name down or the name of your organization. I'm going to put down Udemy. The author URI is a link to your personal site or organization's site. I'm going to drop a link to the Udemy site. Lastly, we want to define the text domain. I know we haven't gone over translations yet, but this should always be set to the name of your plugin folder. So set this to recipe. Let's refresh the plugin page and see if everything works. You should see something similar to what I see. Feel free to look at the other headers and define whatever suits your needs.